Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Marlita Sabta Utari. My number absent is 25.
I'm Zyahwa Aprilia, absent number 36.
I am Dhea Yuliani Kartika, absent number 15.
We are from class 12 and 5. We will explain how the process of rain. So, happy watching! Rain is a natural phenomenon that often occurs. Raindrops fall from the sky and wood the surface of the earth. Understanding rain in general is water droplets that fall from the earth due to the cooling process. So, how does the process of rain occur and its explanation?
Here is the process of the occurrence of the rain. The first process is called evaporation. This process is the evaporation of water on the earth's surface, either land or plants. Evaporation is caused by the heat from the earth. The water vapor will then condense into clouds. The hotter of the temperature, the more water will evaporate too. After the evaporation of water, it enters the second section in the process of the rain, namely condensation. This process occurs when evaporation or water vapor rises into the atmosphere. This process will cause ice particles to form because the air in the sky is quite low. After that, the particles will approach and form clouds. The third process is precipitation. This is final process, namely the melting of ice grains in the clouds, which then fall to earth as rainwater. Clouds that are too heavy generally can no longer hold water, so rain is happen. So the phenomenon of the process of rain becoming an important part of the hydrological cycle. This process requires the rotation of water that is repeated continuously, starting from water to steam, then to water again. Therefore, let us take care of the water on it so that the hydrological cycle runs well.
Okay, that's all explanation from our group. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.